a Crape Jasmine plant, botanically known as *Tabernae montana divaricata, which is commonly referred to in India as Chandni or Tagar. It is an evergreen, flowering shrub native to India. It bears white flowers with double petals, which often resemble miniature roses or carnations. It is renowned for its enchanting, mild fragrance, which becomes particularly noticeable during the evening hours. It thrives in warm, humid climates and requires well-drained soil along with regular sunlight.